The core principles of van life minimalism are explored, offering a streamlined approach to living on the road. Viewers are guided through effective strategies for decluttering and optimizing small spaces, ensuring a fulfilling and unencumbered nomadic experience. Ever dream of hitting the open road, but dread the thought of living in clutter? Imagine a life where every item serves a purpose or two, and your tiny home feels endlessly spacious. This video isn't just about packing light. It's your ultimate guide to unlocking the true freedom and simplicity of van life minimalism. The 1-year rule and sentimental purge, a strategic approach to letting go. The 1-year decluttering rule suggests that if you haven't used or worn an item in the past year, it's likely you don't need it. This guideline helps you assess your belongings and make decisions about what to keep or let go. By focusing on items that haven't been utilized in a year, you can simplify your space and reduce clutter, ultimately leading to a more organized and functional environment. Sell or donate what you don't need. Digital minimalism first, streamlining your virtual life before tackling physical items. To simplify your virtual and internet life, start by decluttering your digital spaces. Unsubscribe from unnecessary emails, delete unused apps, and organize files into clearly labeled folders. Limit your social media use by following only accounts that add value to your life and setting time limits for usage. Use tools like password managers to streamline logins and enhance security. Finally, regularly review your online subscriptions and accounts to ensure they still serve your needs, helping you maintain a more focused and less overwhelming digital presence. Limit the number of apps you need for navigation, campsite suggestions, etc. Category by category attack. Tackle clothes, kitchen, and gear systematically for less overwhelm. Clothing. To select the least number of clothing pieces for travel, follow these steps. Plan your outfits. Choose versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched. Aim for a color palette that allows for easy coordination. Consider the destination. Check the weather and activities planned to ensure you pack appropriate clothing and nothing more. Choose layering options. Opt for lightweight layers that can be added or removed as needed, such as t-shirts, sweaters under a light rain jacket, windbreaker. When the weather warms up, you can remove the layers one by one. Limit shoes. Bring 1 or 2 pairs of shoes that are comfortable and suitable for various occasions. Pack multifunctional items. Include items that can serve multiple purposes, like a dress or pants that can be dressed up or down. Roll clothes to save space and reduce wrinkles, and consider vacuum bags for organization. By focusing on versatility and practicality, you can minimize the number of clothing pieces while still being prepared for your trip. Cooking gear. For minimal cooking gear, pack the following essentials. Portable stove or grill. A compact camping stove or grill for cooking meals both indoors and outdoors. We like cooking with gas. It is very efficient and fast. Replacement canisters are easily available at any Walmart or hardware stores. Cookware. 1 or 2 pots and pans for versatile cooking options. Utensils. A spatula, tongs, and a cooking spoon for food preparation. Cutlery. A knife for chopping, along with forks, spoons, and plates for serving. Measuring cups and can opener, handy for recipes and opening canned goods. Food storage containers. to keep leftovers fresh and organized, dish towels and sponges for cleaning up after meals. By keeping your cooking gear minimal yet functional, you can prepare meals efficiently while saving space in your van. Other camping and recovery gear: camp chairs and table, clothesline, hatchet and camp shovel, recovery boards, basic hand tools. Sustaining your unencumbered journey, long-term strategies, regular re-evaluation, periodically assessing what still serves your nomadic lifestyle. We do that once a year after several months on the road. We take out what we didn't use, sell it or donate. The evolving enough. Recognizing that your minimalist needs may shift over time due to age, health, etc. The minimalist mindset in motion. Daily life on the road. Conscious consumption. Avoiding impulse buys and appreciating experiences over things. Spend more time in nature and less time in the malls. We like to do our grocery stops in small towns where it is easier to park and easier to go in, buy what we need, and drive away. That way we avoid temptations. The lack of space also helps not giving in to temptation. Routine simplicity. A streamlined daily routine reduces stress and decision fatigue. As you practice living each moment more intensely, the days will gradually get filled with more enjoyable experiences, and you'll notice a reduced tendency to rush to the next thing. Take time to enjoy your breakfast or morning coffee. Sit down, enjoy the warmth of the sun, the birds singing, the flow of water between your fingers while doing the dishes. Instead of driving to the nearest town to get coffee to go, make it in your van and enjoy the aroma of the beans you just ground. A meal made with a few fresh, high-quality ingredients can be more flavorful and satisfying than a complex dish with many components, highlighting the quality over quantity. Embracing imperfection. The beauty of a less than perfect but truly functional minimalist setup. Make your van cozy and comfy for you and the few things that are truly important to you. Happiness is inversely proportional to the number of things we think we need. It is not how much we have, but how much we enjoy that makes happiness. Optimizing your mobile sanctuary. Smart space solutions. Think multifunctional everything. Maximize utility from every item and furniture piece. As much as possible, each piece should have at least 2 or 3 functions. Storage hacks. Utilize often forgotten wall and ceiling space. The essential toolkit mentality. Carry only what's truly needed for repairs and emergencies. Letting go of the pressure to constantly acquire new items can lead to a clearer mind and decreased anxiety about finances and social expectations. By minimizing unnecessary purchases, you can save money, reduce debt, and allocate resources toward experiences or savings that truly matter to you. With less needs, you can travel in a smaller van that can easily function as a daily driver. It will be more maneuverable, easier to drive and park, and it can go where others might not, and it will be cheaper on gas. Focusing on what you truly need encourages more intentional living, helping you appreciate what you have and make more thoughtful choices. Simplifying your life can lead to greater satisfaction and happiness as you shift your focus from material possessions to meaningful relationships and experiences. Reducing consumption contributes to less waste and a smaller footprint, promoting a healthier planet. Living in a small vehicle with limited resources, you learn to consume less water, less power, and overall reduce your impact on the environment. Overall, stepping away from consumerism fosters a more fulfilling, sustainable, and balanced lifestyle. Of course, the campervan industry wants to sell you air conditioning, shower, in-floor heating, and more. There is no limit to what you can have in a van if your budget allows. If you really need all these things, then van life is probably not for you. On the other hand, if you have watched this far, then you already understand that. Less is more are the words to keep in mind. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please click like and share, and happy travels!